You can also set different options for typing inside of Microsoft Windows 11 so that typing becomes a lot more convenient the way you want. So in order to access the typing settings, I'm going to go around onto the start menu right here, and then I'm going to click on settings. So once I click on settings on the left side, you will be able to see the time and language option right here. And here you can see typing is an option which you can access. So over here you can see show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. So if you want to enable suggestions, you can go around over here and turn this on as well. So in common languages like English, and what happens is that whenever you type in some word, and if you want the typing to happen faster, it'll suggest out words which matches out your typing pattern over here. You can also have multilingual suggestions, as you can see right here. And based on language preferences, it'll correct out the language accordingly over here as well. You also have option over here, as you can see, that it corrects the misspelled word, which is turned on, and you can highlight the misspelled word over here as well. So in system, whenever you type something, everything, you can turn this on or off according to how you like it. You can also see your typing insight right here. So in my case, it is a fresh system, so you don't see anything. But if you are typing something, then it'll count this out so that it records how much it has auto-completed words, has suggested you words, and adds keystroke to words and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can turn that on and off from over here as well. And you can go around into the advanced keyboard settings right here to choose out which keyboard layout you want to use as well. So right now, in my case, English language is the only language that is installed. So you only have that option. But if you want to go around and then add another language, then you can do so as well. You can also see the language option video for how to do that as well. So you can also go around and switch to different input modes for different type of applications, or you can also go around and see the language bar option right here, and if you want to see that as well. So you can go around and enable and disable this out as well, as you can see right here. So these are the tools that will help you to actually utilize typing to its best according to how you like it. So if you want, you can turn all of these on or turn off according to how you like it. And that is how you can access and then change out the typing settings inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.